hardship, support any friend, oppose any foe to assure the survival and the success of liberty. Every thoughtful citizen who despairs of war and wishes to bring peace should begin by looking inward, by examining his own attitude towards the possibilities of peace. Too many of us think it is impossible. Too many think it is unreal. But that is a dangerous, defeatist belief. It leads to the conclusion that war is inevitable, that mankind is doomed, that we are gripped by forces we cannot control. We need not accept that view. Our problems are man-made, therefore they can be solved by man, and man can be as big as he wants. No problem of human destiny is beyond human beings. Man's reason and spirit have often solved the seemingly unsolvable, and we believe they can do it again.
We're doing great. We love you, just so you know. We love you.
What are you doing?
God bless you, brother.
Yep.
Jesus, we love you.
We're here for freedom. We love freedom.
Freedom?
We're here for freedom.
You got sound on
I got
that
my
thing?
shot.
Do you hear on that? Because you can sure cuss at us. You can sure cuss, can't you?
Were you the one cussing on your bike?
Oh,
Yeah, he
was
said
the
fuck
cussing on his bike.
you. He did the middle finger
job,
and said
buddy.
fuck you.
Good job.
Take another one.
Just so you know, we love you.
You don't want your face
Go
shown?
ahead, go ahead.
You don't want your face shown?
Here, this is going to be all over the place, just so you know.
I'm good with that.
Good.
Are you?
Oh, definitely.
Where's
Let's
the
see.
oxygen?
Oh, this is getting good quality stuff right now.
You do anything for your fellow band? Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
We love you, just so you know. We do love you.
I don't. You
We're standing here for you guys. You know that, right?
probably don't love your fellow citizens.
Obviously he doesn't. He came by and cussed us all out.
The guy doesn't even follow the science. Are you following the science at all? No.
It's been 2 years, buddy. When are you gonna figure it out? When are you gonna figure it out?
At least you're brave.
What is your intent? What's your intent?
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Woo! You see how much support we have? Why are you?
Why
Yeah.
are you
I'm not trying to stop what you're doing. Don't try to stop what I'm doing.
I'm not trying
for
to stop you.
America. I'm for freedom. I'm for love. I'm for God. Freedom. That's what America stands for.
Americans are living.
We are winning.
Hey, keep going.
We love you. Go ahead.
They will be here every Sunday.
You record us, I record you.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Okay. Well, we care about you. We care about everyone. And that's why we're out here in the cold.
America for a change.
That's why we're out here in the cold. Do you see the American flags? What do you think the American flag represents? America. What do you think that is? That's us. Freedom. Freedom.
So you served? You've been in the military? I don't think so.
I'm sorry, what?
I said I don't think you've been in the military.
I'm sorry, my father retired Master Chief in the military.
Yeah.
I just want you to know, do you understand why we're out here?
I think I do.
What do you
That's
think it
the
is?
problem.
Why do you think we're out here right now? No, answer the question. I would love to know what your understanding of why we're out here is.